You filed your shipping bills correctly. You claimed incentives as advised. Your custom house agent said everything is fine. Then suddenly, a DGFT notice arrives. And the first thought that hits your mind is, what did we do wrong? If this situation feels familiar, this video is for you. Because today I'm going to explain why DGFT notices come even when companies think everything is right, and how you can handle and prevent them calmly. Namaskar. Welcome to KSP Knowledge Hub. Let me clarify one very important thing upfront. A DGFT notice does not automatically mean fraud or wrongdoing. In most cases, it means mismatch, missing linkage, delayed compliance, poor documentation trail. But companies panic because no one explains this properly. DGFT works on data validation, not emotions. Let's talk ground reality, not theory. Reason 1. Incentive claims without strong back-end validation. Many exporters claim incentives correctly on paper but fail to maintain supporting linkage. Examples: shipping bill data versus invoice mismatch, HS code inconsistency, FOB value mismatch with BRC. System catches it later. Notice comes. Reason 2. Over-reliance on it was filed correctly. This is very common. Companies assume shipping bill filed ho gaya, kaam khatam. But DGFT scrutiny happens after shipment, sometimes years later. If your internal records are weak, you will struggle to respond. Reason 3. Poor post-shipment discipline. Most exporters are busy with next order, next shipment, next customer. But DGFT focuses on EGM, EBRC license closures, realization timelines. Gaps here equal to red flags later. Reason 4. No internal EXIM review system. Many companies don't. Review incentive claims internally. Cross-check data periodically. Conduct self-audits. So errors remain hidden until DGFT finds them. This part is important. DGFT notices are increasing because systems are more data-driven. Cross-department data matching is stronger. Historical claims are being reviewed. Even honest companies get notices if systems are weak. So the question is not, why did we get a notice? The real question is, are we prepared to handle it confidently? If you receive a DGFT notice, step 1, don't panic, don't ignore. Ignoring makes it worse. Panic makes mistakes worse. Step 2, understand the exact observation. Read carefully. Period involved, scheme involved, data point questioned. Most notices are specific, not generic. Step 3, rebuild the transaction trail. Prepare shipping bills, invoices, BRCs, license details, internal workings. Think like an auditor. Step 4, reply with clarity, not emotion. DGFT doesn't need explanations. They need evidence plus alignment. This is where smart companies win. 1. Build a simple EXIM control system. Not expensive, just disciplined. 2. Monthly or quarterly incentive review. Catch issues before DGFT does. 3. Documentation equals business asset. Treat documents like money. 4. Use consultants proactively, not in crisis. Prevention saves reputation and cash flow. Let me say this clearly. DGFT is not your enemy. Poor systems are. Companies that respect timelines, maintain records, review claims, never fear notices. If you found this video helpful, like it, comment DGFT if you want a detailed video on handling notices step by step. Subscribe to KSP Knowledge Hub for real, India-specific EXIM insights. Orders create excitement. Systems create sustainability. Trade smart. Stay compliant. Scale globally. This is KSP signing off.